Well, greetings from Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to look at one of Ford's really special cars from 1964. I'll give you the details in a minute. Well, greetings from Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. On our showroom floor today, we're going to show you some details of one of our newest acquisitions, a 1964 Ford Galaxie 500, and it is the XL. Now, the XL means, of course, that it was much more accessorized. In other words, they had much more custom interiors. They had the bucket seats, the upgraded materials, the really nice extra chrome, whatever. It was really their top of the line for Ford, and we have a really nice example right here in red. This particular car has the 390 V8 in it, of course, and what's really nice is whoever ordered this XL, they ordered it with all the goodies. In other words, it has power steering, it has power brakes, upgraded power brakes, by the way, with a dual master cylinder. It has a dealer installed air conditioning, which is another really nice addition, even in any place in the country, even when it gets hot. Even here in Minnesota, we do on occasion need to have air conditioning. Like I said, beautiful red paint, nice chrome all the way around. The aluminum grille is in incredibly nice shape. Accessory bumper guards, the dual side mirrors, which we get used to having mirrors. It's really kind of strange when you get in a car that doesn't have a passenger side mirror. Sometimes you really miss that. And as like I mentioned, this car is a beautiful color with the bucket seat, center console. It is an automatic, so it's one of those cars where it came from. It was the fellow's wife's car. She wanted to have something that she could drive and enjoy, get in, and it has perfect accessories for the gal that just wants the automatic, put it in gear, power steering, brakes, and air. As good as you get. Beautiful white interior, like I said, very neat because of the XL. The XLs had the really neat roof line here. You'll see that little line that goes on there, kind of giving it the impression of the fastback look, if you will. This one also has the rear-mounted antenna. It has an aftermarket AM/FM radio as well. It's got the right white wall tires. Radials, of course, makes for a really nice ride, because that was always one of the biggest issues with these old cars, is if you had the old bias tires, you know, they're fine. We used them. We all put up with them for many years. But if you don't have those, you know, it's much nicer to have the radials. And this has the spinner upgraded wire hubcaps. You can find all this stuff on our website at www.ellingsonmotorcars.com. It is also available on Facebook and YouTube and Instagram as well, if you want. And the easiest thing is, if you would like to come and visit us here right in Rogers, Minnesota, we'd love to have you come. Our hours are Monday through Saturday from 10 until 5. Well, like you say, she's got the dual exhaust. It's got the good rear fender skirts on it as well. If you don't like skirts, you can take them off if you're not so inclined. It also has seat belts, which is also a nice addition that really wasn't required in 1964, but it's really nice with today. Lots of people feel much more comfortable driving their cars with seat belt. So come and take a look. We'd love to have you come to Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers. You're on our sales room floor, have close to 100 automobiles, trucks, cars, resto mods, original cars, you name it. We've got it here at Ellingson's. Give us a call. We'd love to talk to you.